In this video, you'll learn how to exchange Bitcoin or BTC to Tether, known as USDT, using the Binance platform. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to successfully complete the exchange process and verify your new balance. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Convert or Trade section on the homepage. This area is typically found in the main menu or dashboard, depending on your layout. After selecting it, choose BTC as the asset you wish to exchange. Next, select USDT as the asset you want to receive. It is important to review the exchange rate displayed, ensuring that it meets your expectations. Additionally, confirm that you have sufficient BTC in your account to proceed with the exchange. Once you have selected BTC and USDT, enter the amount of BTC you wish to exchange. The system will automatically calculate and display the equivalent amount of USDT you will receive. Take a moment to review this quoted amount carefully. If everything looks correct, you can confirm the conversion. Alternatively, if you prefer, you may place a sell order instead of an instant conversion. Keep in mind that market conversions execute instantly, while limit orders may take longer to fill. After confirming the transaction, make sure to save the transaction confirmation for your records. After the conversion is completed, it is crucial to check your USDT balance to ensure the transaction was successful. Navigate to your spot wallet, which can usually be found in the wallet section of your account. Here you will see an updated balance reflecting the newly converted USDT. Additionally, review your transaction history to find details about the exchange. This is a good practice to confirm that the conversion has occurred as intended. With your USDT balance confirmed, you can now use these funds for trading or withdrawal as needed. It is advisable to save any relevant records related to your transactions for future reference. If you notice that your USDT balance is not updated, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. They can help clarify any issues you may encounter during the exchange process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.